In this chapter, fingers and strings, you'll notice that there are two things that are color coded. My fingers and the strings. And the reason I'm doing this is help you out so that you'll see what I'm playing on the guitar. What fingers I'm using and what strings I'm playing. So on the top diagram, if you look at the fingers, each one is color coded except for the thumb. You have the index finger, which is a reddish color, and that's your first finger. The middle finger is your second finger, and it's colored green. The ring finger is yellow, and that's your third finger. And also, as you notice, I have a ring on my ring finger, and that represents that I'm married. But it has, that's why it's called ring finger, by the way. And then pinky finger, blue, and that's your fourth finger. So each finger is normally assigned by number and what it is. So again, index is first, middle is second, third is ring, and fourth is pinky. So you can remember it either by, if I'm going to say pinky finger or fourth finger, or I might give reference to the color of the finger used. The next thing is the names of the strings. Now this phrase is really cool. It's going to help you learn the strings. Just remember, Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. I know it's kind of funny, but it's going to help you remember what strings we're talking about. And Eddie, in the sixth string and the first string are the same two words because they're both using the E string. Now the sixth string is your lowest sounding string. And that string is also the thickest string on the guitar. And the first string is the highest sounding string on the guitar. It's also your thinnest string. So if you can remember the phrase, Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie, that's going to help you remember the names of the strings, and that's really important. So E, A, D, G, B, and E. Now the bottom diagram, the strings are color coded according to what I'm playing, and I also tried to make it so that the red string was thicker in thickness. So if you look at the bottom of the diagram, it's actually giving reference to the top of the guitar, which is the red string right here. The red string, that one is the sixth string, and that's colored red. The next string is the second thickest string, is the A string. That is your fifth string, and that's colored green. The next string is orange in color, and that is the D string, the fourth string. The G string is blue in color, and that's the third string. And then the last two strings, the B and the E, these ones are both the same color. They didn't have color choices for these. They're both silver actually, and that's what normal color of the string should be. So the B string is the second string on the guitar, and that's the second to the highest string. And then the highest string on the guitar, the E string, which is the thinnest string, is the first string.